We have a Young Star Award named after Professor Wüthrich. We have so many students here. We have so many young researchers. Who is going to get it? This I don't think anybody can guess, I guess. And the winner is Dimas Coura. In industrial energy. It is Wüthrich International Young Star Award. Hey, congratulations. Congratulations. Always do surprises. So this is the award named after Nobel Laureate in chemistry. You're going to receive his congratulations separately by letter. Here. So you can keep this way. Keep it. Keep it like this. Okay. I know you're emotional, but oh, the Brazilian. Here, keep it with this hand. Give me your hand here. No, keep this. Okay. Look at the picture. Congratulations. Say something short, because we have a magnificent show coming, and this is a little bit...
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. For me, a grand surprise here. I think that special thanks Professor Paulo and everyone, students, and here with me, and Florian and this organization, and after all, professor and engineers and science, and here a grand pleasure for me. Thank you.
Congratulations. Oh.